तो दोस्तों स्वागत है आपका इस ब्लॉग के अंदर। मैं आपका अपना दोस्त एजदम मुसाफिर। तो दोस्तों मैं आया हुआ हूँ धर्मशाला अभी, और एक सहज योगा धर्मशाला है यहाँ पे, जहाँ पे योगा सिखाई जाती है। She's the one, she works over here as a volunteer.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
what's your good name, ma'am?
Sridevi.
Sridevi. So Sridevi is going to show about the ashram, like how things work over here in Dharamshala. So if you're coming down to Dharamshala and you're looking forward
Talnu Nadi especially.
Talnu Nadi, and if you're looking for meditation classes and yoga classes, then this is the place that you are supposed to come. So I'm going to show you. Aarti?
Yeah. No, actually this is a quick biography of Shri Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi.
Okay.
She was a great soul who was born in 1970 in the Salve family. Okay. She is the famous princess of the Salve Khandan. From her dynasty, Shalivahan dynasty, the Gudi Padwa is also celebrated in India. Okay. So she is one of the princesses, and she was born on equinox on 21st of March in Chhindwara, which is the middle point of India, exactly the middle point of India. She was born exactly at 12 o'clock in the afternoon on an equal day and night. So her horoscope shows very much that she came to emancipate mankind, to give something big to mankind. And her horoscope is very much showing what she did. She traveled across the nations internationally, making a connection to the world. She's nominated twice for the Nobel Peace Prize. And she has traveled across India to give emancipation, Kundalini realization, a special technique of meditation, which is awakening of the primordial energy Kundalini sitting in our sacrum bone.
So it's like only the
Kundalini.
Kundalini.
Yeah. So her life is dedicated to humanity. Of course, she's a Nobel Peace Prize nominee twice and has traveled worldwide. This is the chakra system she has introduced to the world. Each chakra is described in very details, and we teach this meditation free of cost here for 15 to 20 minutes.
Awesome.
It's a very beautiful connection to the primordial energy, and this is mentioned in our scripture. So each chakra is explained here, and nadis are explained here very well. And there are scientific researches on Sahaj Yoga which are also pasted here. Sahaj Yoga has been talked about in पुराने उपनिषद में भी इसका व्याख्या है कि ऐसा होगा कि कलयुग के अंत में जब कृतयुग आता है तो सारा ही मैनकाइंड जागेगा और अपनी आत्मोन्नति पाने की कोशिश करेगा। तो इसका जो मेंशन है वो है जब हमारे अंदर थॉट्स नहीं रहते, साइलेंस, ये निर्विचार समाधि आ जाती है। दिस रिसर्च हैज बीन डन बाय डॉक्टर रमेश मनोचा, एंड व्हेन द मेडिटेशन was from thoughtfulness to no thoughtfulness in presence. तो इसका रिसर्चेस सारे हमारे जो हेल्थ पे हैं, मेंटल हेल्थ पे, यूके हमारी जो वेबसाइट है, यूके में भी ये आर्काइव्ड है, यूनाइटेड किंगडम में भी ये रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है सहज योगा, रशिया में सहज योगा रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है फॉर गिविंग, इन अमेरिका में बहुत सारे स्टेट्स में श्री माताजी निर्मला देवी के नाम से हॉलीडेज भी होते हैं। Okay. ये यूनाइटेड नेशंस की असेंबली है श्री माताजी, जिसमें 2 बार ये इंटरनेशनल रोटरी कॉन्फ्रेंस है और वर्ल्ड वुमेन्स कॉन्फ्रेंस है, तो जहाँ श्री माता जी ने 2-3 बार एड्रेस किया है। ये है रॉयल एल्बर्ट हॉल, जहाँ काफी लोगों को कुंडलिनी का रियलाइजेशन हुआ, और जब माँ ने पूछा किस किस को हुआ तो सबने हाथ खड़े करे थे रॉयल एल्बर्ट हॉल में।
So it's all about yoga, like she's more into yoga, like mostly into
yoga. She teaches how to awaken the kundalini and how you are connected to the cosmic power very quickly. Within 10 to 15 minutes of yoga dhyan in the morning and evening you will be connected to that power that created you.
Like I have been to Vipassana before, like in Jaipur, in Dhamathali. So I have been over there for like 10 days. 10 days course in Dhamathali. So like, is it like one of the same thing like she's teaching, or?
This is a Kundalini realization wherein by your pure desire through Ida, Pingla and Sushumna, 3 nadis are awakened. And the Kundalini rises through your Sushumna to your Sahasrara chakra, which is the crown chakra. Okay. So we don't concentrate on anything. We release the Kundalini here where it is supposed to be. Shunya shikhar pe anahad baje. Kabir Das ji ne kaha hai, Shunya shikhar pe anahad baje means when your heart beats on your head, on your Sahasrara, crown chakra. So this is Shunya shikhar, which is when you are a child, when you are born, and वहाँ पे धड़कन जब बजती है, लब डब, जो हमारा हम कहते हैं बच्चे भगवान का स्वरूप है,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
वो ही हमें अचीव करना है दोबारा, बिकॉज जब हम माया में खो जाते हैं तो दिस हेड बिकम्स वेरी हार्ड एंड द कनेक्शन क्लोजेस डाउन.
Yeah.
So this is something very much described in all the scriptures, including Gyaneshwari across the world, and this is just a small glimpse of what she did for mankind, and she gave this evolution to foreigners also, and from 170 countries many people come here to meditate and for silence. She has stepped in here, so there is a kind of aura that has been created and very good for meditation.
Like if someone wants to come down to this place, like what would be the easiest way, by using local transport or?
First you come to Dharamshala, and from Dharamshala you take a taxi or a bus to Naddi, Talnu. This is Talnu, and there's a road coming down to the ashram, which is called the famous school road. This is ISPS school. और वो स्कूल की रोड को आप फॉलो करेंगे तो आप आश्रम पहुंच जाएंगे, एंड आश्रम में फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट 15 से 20 मिनट का सेशन आपको मिलेगा.
So guys, I'm going to try this session, and उसको मैं record करूँगा just for your knowledge. Thank you very much, ma'am, for this meditative session and enlightening us. So guys, if you are looking forward to Sahaj Yoga, so there's a website named, I'm just going to mention the link in my description as well. freemeditation.com. So यहाँ पे कुछ 19 lessons हैं जो आपने वीडियो में देखा होगा, तो वो आप देख सकते हैं और कर सकते हैं. And thank you very much once again.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thanks for joining.